my brainer container. Hey, it's Dan Safkow with episode 3 of My Purple Brain, playing the game bigger and better, trading up until I have something of significance that I can sell and donate it to Alzheimer's research. It's part of The Longest Day, which is a do-it-yourself fundraising program that's offered by the Alzheimer's Association. And if you want to start your own fundraiser, let me know and I'll help you get started with that. I don't have a trade on this episode. 2 days ago, I got my first trade. It's a jade plant. Tomorrow, I'm doing my second for a really unique piece of art. So come back for episode 4. In this episode, I wanted to share some fun things that are happening, even though it's still the beginning of the journey. I've made contact with 3 different people. First is a Facebook friend that I don't know, and he saw one of my posts. Even though it's still the first trade, he can see the trajectory and he wants to interview me, I guess get ahead of the story, so that'll be fun. Second, somebody reached out to me. They have a book that I think explains Alzheimer's and dementia to children. And he just randomly reached out to me and said, hey, I want you to have the book. And I'm gonna interview him and capture his story. Also, an old friend named Marty reached out. We used to teach at the same internet marketing seminars, and he was one of my favorite people from back in that day. He's offered up a mastermind that's a very valuable high-ticket item. I don't think it's going to fit in the progression of this game. Maybe I'll offer it to the side, or maybe I'll start another ladder for business to business. What do you guys think? How should I approach that? I've got this great asset now that I can sell and add to the pot. And I'm just grateful for these opportunities. I'm having fun with it. I can't wait to see where it goes. So be sure and come back to see what that piece of artwork looks like tomorrow, and maybe you'll want to trade something for it. I'm in Southern California, and we can meet for the trades. If you're watching somewhere else, we can ship to each other. Oh, and I forgot to mention my acquisition. You may have seen it on the last video, my brainer container. People have asked me where I got it, and it's a little niche website that's spelled amazon.com. You can get one for yourself. This one is not for trade. Thanks for coming along on this ride with me. And the question is, what will you trade next to help me get to my goal? Thanks for watching, and onward and upward.